Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely disassembling your laptop. Start by powering off your ASUS UX533F and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, you will now have access to the internal components. It's crucial to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use a soft brush or compressed air to ensure the area around the hinges is clear. This will help in the smooth operation of the new hinges. Now let's focus on the hinges themselves. You will notice that the hinges are secured with screws. Carefully unscrew these using your Phillips screwdriver. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Once the old hinges are out, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new hinges with the screw holes and secure them tightly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and provide you with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. After securing the new hinges, it's important to test their movement. Gently open and close the laptop lid to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any stiffness, double-check the alignment of the hinges. Once you are satisfied with the hinge movement, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel back onto the laptop and press down gently to ensure it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel firmly. Before you power on your laptop, take a moment to clean any fingerprints or smudges from the exterior. A clean laptop not only looks good, but also helps in maintaining its condition. Now, you can reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check that everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. Finally, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved up front. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop repair needs. With your ASUS UX533F now fully operational, you can enjoy its features without the worry of faulty hinges. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.